It was a bright Sunday morning. The sun was shining and the birds were singing. 10-year-old Ollie looked out of his bedroom window and smiled. Today was a special day. His father had promised to teach him how to ride a bicycle. Ollie had always wanted to ride a bike. Every evening, he watched children happily riding in the park. Some rode fast, while others performed little tricks. Ollie dreamed of joining them one day. After breakfast, Ollie and his father carried a small blue bicycle outside. It had shiny wheels, a comfortable seat, and a little bell that rang loudly. "Are you ready?" Father asked with a smile. Ollie nodded, but he also felt nervous. "I think so," he replied quietly. Father placed a helmet on Ollie's head. "The most important thing is safety," he said. "Always wear your helmet before riding." Ollie smiled and said, "I will." They walked to a nearby park, where there was a wide, empty path. It was the perfect place to practice. Father showed Ollie the different parts of the bicycle. "These are the handlebars. They help you steer. These are the brakes. They help you stop. And these are the pedals. You use them to move." Ollie listened carefully. Father demonstrated how to sit on the bicycle and keep both feet on the ground. "Balance is the secret," Father explained. "Don't look at the front wheel. Look ahead." Ollie climbed onto the bicycle. At first, Father held the back of the seat. "Start pedaling slowly," Father encouraged Ollie. Push the pedals, but after only a few seconds, the bicycle leaned to one side. "Oh!" Ollie cried as he stepped off. "It's okay," Father said kindly. "Everyone falls while learning." Ollie took a deep breath and tried again. This time, pedaled a little farther. Father kept holding the seat. "You're doing great," Father shouted. Ollie smiled proudly. After several tries, Father said, "Now, I'll hold you lightly." Ollie didn't notice that Father was slowly letting go. For a few wonderful seconds, Ollie was riding by himself. Then he looked back. "Are you still holding me?" As soon as he turned around, he lost his balance and gently fell onto the grass. Ollie looked disappointed. "I can't do it." Father sat beside him. "Do you know how many times I fell when I learned? More than I can count." "Really?" Ollie asked. Father laughed. "Of course. Learning takes practice." Ollie stood up again. "I'll keep trying." For the next hour, Ollie practiced starting, stopping, turning, and balancing. Sometimes he wobbled. Sometimes he stopped too. Suddenly, once he even rode into a small bush, and both of them laughed. A little girl riding nearby smiled. "You'll get it," she said. Her words encouraged Ollie even more. Father gave Ollie another helpful tip. Keep pedaling. If you stop pedaling, it's harder to balance. Ollie remembered the advice. He looked straight ahead, relaxed his shoulders, and started again, slowly. Carefully, he pedaled. The bicycle stayed straight rode farther than before. Father quietly let go of the seat. Ollie continued riding. 10 meters, 20 meters, 30 meters. "I'm doing it," Ollie shouted happily. Father clapped his hands. "Wonderful. You're riding on your own." Ollie couldn't stop smiling. He carefully used the brakes and came to a smooth stop. "I did it." "Yes, you did," Father replied proudly. "But remember, becoming good takes more practice." Ollie nodded. The next few days, Ollie practiced every afternoon. Soon he learned how to turn safely, avoid obstacles, and ride a little faster. He also learned important road safety rules. Always watch where you're going. Always use hand signals when needed. Always be careful around people and cars. Always wear a helmet. One Saturday, Ollie met his friends in the park. "Can you ride now?" they asked. Ollie smiled. "Watch this." He rode smoothly around the path. His friends cheered. "Great job, Ollie." One friend asked, "Can you teach me to?" "I'm afraid of falling." Ollie remembered his own first day. He smiled kindly. "Don't worry. Falling is part of learning. Just keep trying." Together they practiced, just as Ollie had practiced with his father. Sunset, everyone was laughing and enjoying their time. As they walked home, Father asked, "What did you learn today?" Ollie thought for a moment. "I learned that success doesn't come the first time. It comes when we don't give up." Father smiled proudly. "That's a lesson you'll use all your life." Ollie looked at his bicycle with happiness.